welcome back into my kitchen. I'm Gabrielle Reyes.
And I'm Ayanna Edwards.
And look who is in my kitchen today, you guys. It's Ayanna. She is one of my best friends. She's my first adult friend, I would say. Ayanna and I met doing Dream Girls.
Yeah.
And we were understudies, and then we also played all these different roles.
Everything.
We were in the dressing rooms together, and then she went vegan when she came and visited me out in New York.
Yes.
So now we're here, and she tried to make the Jamaican purple stew. Tell them about the Jamaican purple stew.
Okay, I don't know why she said try, because I made the Jamaican purple stew.
Shade.
And it was delicious. It may have not been purple, but
so we gonna figure out how to make it purple
today, right
today
now.
Is the day.
Yeah.
So if you can't tell, today we're gonna be making some Jamaican purple stew. 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 Jamaican purple. Get it. Jamaican purple stew. Jamaican purple stew. Jamaican purple stew. So mainly it was inspired because Ace and I were doing Thanksgiving together. It was our first Thanksgiving, and we wanted something vegan, and he's fully Jamaican, right? So I was like, dang, I really want to try these flavors. I've never veganized Jamaican food.
this is the time.
This is the time. The time is now. And so Ace was like, come on, baby, let's figure this out. And so we did. We found the recipe for brown stew chicken, and we were like, all right, no chicken. What else can we put in it? We were like, potatoes. And we were like, let's just get some purple potatoes. Why not? So we got some purple potatoes, and here we are today making Jamaican purple stew. What's our first step? What's our first step? Okay, so our first step is we have some coconut cream. We're gonna put it in our pot. Just like that. Did you say bowl?
I did.
It's a pot. It's a pot. It's
Okay,
all good.
okay.
And we're gonna let that melt down. It should melt down pretty quickly.
What do you have it on?
So I have this on medium. Yes. I'll probably turn it up a little bit warmer as we go along, but I know with these pots specifically, they don't really like to be too hot. So I'm just gonna turn a little bit. Okay, so while that's all going, of course, I have my white onion. This is one full white onion. We're making a huge batch of Jamaican purple stew. So I have one full sweet white onion. And I'm gonna put in a sweet white onion. Sweet white does me right. So we have our onions and our coconut cream. We got our onions and our coconut cream. We got our onions and our coconut cream. Yeah. And then we have some diced tomatoes. These are some sweet cherry tomatoes. I like using them in every recipe.
Wait, so how long? We just kind of put everything in there?
Yeah, we're gonna put everything in there, and then we're gonna let it boil down. It's gonna cook, it's gonna simmer, it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna cook, gonna simmer, gonna do its thing. That's the chant you have to do when you're making, when you're cooking and simmering.
You can't not do the cook and simmer when you're cooking and simmer.
Exactly, because if you don't cook and simmer,
There's no cook and simmer.
who's gonna cook and simmer for you? I don't know. But what I do know is that we have carrots next.
Okay.
We got carrots.
Carrots.
That I had chopped up. So I'm using about, I would say about 1.5 cups of each for this huge recipe. I mean, I'm making a big portion.
I mean, but how many people is it gonna be? Like?
This is gonna serve about 10 people. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna put this over some rice, maybe some rice and peas. And then, of course, we have the purple potatoes. Purple potatoes.
I love purple potatoes.
Yes, I mean, they're just like sweet potatoes.
No, they're better.
Ooh. Sweet potatoes, you better watch out.
They have come for the sweet potatoes.
They have come. Okay.
And I'm a sweet potato wearer, but these purple potatoes are like the next level.
Yes. So what I've done is I've cubed them up pretty decently sized chunks. I'm just gonna pop them in there. And then, oh, the seasoning. This is what makes it all worth it. This is what really flavors everything. We have some fresh thyme, some dry thyme, some salt, some pepper, some allspice, as well as a diced up Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, when you're doing the Scotch bonnet pepper, do not include the seeds. It's going to be so spicy.
I don't think I knew that when I made mine.
Oh, really?
Mine was so spicy.
Dang.
But I put some more why it wasn't purple.
Yeah, if it comes out a little bit too spicy, you know, if you taste it, you're like, oh, this is like, whoops, I don't know, we can do this. I would add in a little bit more coconut milk, because the milkiness of the coconut milk will let that see it in. There we go, there we go.
Why do you put fresh in?
I just like the flavor. I've just found that those two things combined, you know, there's a deepness about the dried herb that comes out, but then I also I always love a fresh element whenever I'm using seasoning, so. Okay, and then we have our liquid seasoning, and in here we have some garlic, some minced up garlic. We have some maple syrup as well. And we also have some liquid aminos in there as well.
So that hearty, that depth.
Yes, the depth, the depth. It's gonna add a sweetness too. Along with the maple syrup, yes, it's gonna add a sweetness. And then I have some veggie broth. I'm gonna add in about 2 cups of veggie broth.
Should it cover it or no?
Yeah, it'll cover it. I'll push it all down. And then we have some green onion. I'm gonna add in, I would say about half a cup of green onion. I'm gonna leave some to decorate at the end. I love green onion. I love green onion. I love green onion, green onion, green onion. We're gonna let all of the potatoes really cook down, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it around, and as we mix it around, it'll almost break apart, the potatoes will break apart, and the color will separate throughout the stew. All right, we're gonna let it simmer down.
Okay, and we'll simmer down until it's
all meshed in, all delicious and all good. We'll know because it'll smell bomb.
And then do we do anything else or no? We just eat it.
We just eat it, girl. I mean, we're gonna decorate with a little
one pot stop. I love it.
A one pot stop kind of spot.
Yeah.
So we have let our purple stew simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, depends on what kind of stovetop you have. And here we go. As you can see, it is purple because all of the potatoes have broken apart. Oh, you might not be able to see it. Okay, there you go. You can see right over there. Yes, purple stew. And I think I'm gonna dish it up. All of the potatoes, the tomatoes, the carrots, everything is cooked down. Everything is one delicious soup. And we're gonna put it in a bowl, girl, and then we're gonna eat.
I don't know how you measured out those seasonings perfectly.
Well, what I did about 2 tablespoons of salt and then 3 tablespoons of everything else.
But you don't like really be like
no
3 tablespoons. It'd be like masterpiece.
Yes, I kind of eye it out typically whenever I'm making stuff, but I tell people all the time, salt, pepper to taste. Everything else, I would go pretty heavy on the allspice and then the thyme as well. You know, because you really want to make it
perfectly. You know how when you finish a dish, it's like, oh, it could just use a little more of this. No.
Yes.
I was like, whoa.
How did she do it?
It's perfect.
Nice. You always go for click.
I know.
Oh, yo,
good. What?
girl. This is probably the best batch I've made.
I told you that. I told you. It's so good.
Yo. Okay.
Bro, like it's perfect.
It is seriously perfect. I mean, the thyme with the scotch bonnet is the perfect amount of spice, and then that maple syrup with the sweetness. Yes, the little bit of sweetness. Ooh. This is 100% gluten-free as well. So it's gluten-free and it's vegan. Yes, girl, it's just potatoes.
Oh my gosh.
It's potatoes seasoned with other vegetables, super fibrous, super protein packed. I mean, oh girl. Oh, go ahead, girl, go ahead. Jamaican purple stew, 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 Jamaican purple stew. Yes, purple stew. Hey, purple stew, 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 purple stew. We're gonna finish up this delicious bowl of Jamaican purple stew. Thank you so much for watching, all. Thank you for being here, girl.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
I love you. I love you. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.